Good morning. So today, this morning, Thursday, January 23rd, and I've been uploading some YouTube videos to get that Twitch VOD backlog moved over to YouTube. And yesterday I ran into kind of a hiccup where hard drive space. So my current situation is I am deleting. Let's move this over. So the whole idea here is let me show you the application I was put on. It's called Windows Directory Stats, right? Like that's WinDire stat, Winder, whatever. What it does is it breaks down your hard drive space and shows you like what all these files are, what's taking up your most space. Yeah, like I had probably, I mean, as you can see here, this drive is 700 gigs of 1 terabyte, which is 1,000 gigs, yada yada yada, or a little more, whatever you want to do. So this one directory here, 92% of this usage, which is mostly right here, okay, and files. So, yeah, basically what I am in the process of doing is taking everything that I have, uploading it, and deleting it because there's just no space. So, in the process of uploading everything that I have so that I could then delete it, we are currently Backlog Gaming. This has been uploaded. It's processing maybe. And this one here, so those are going to get deleted, and then Jotun. So, but actually, this one is I'm about to start uploading this one. So we need to create a. What do I need to create? Thumbnail. That's right. We've been doing this. So let's open Backlog Gaming YouTube thumbnail template. Right. So first thing we're going to do is let's delete that. Here, pictures. The start screen. I always take a screenshot of the start screen. Drop that in here. Nice and fancy. Drop it into the file where it's supposed to go. Lock it. Okay, so now this is simple. Boom, bam. Just like that. And this is exactly why I set up in the last video black and white ones, because this is a darker one. Do actually need to we'll take that size. Who is move it up. Works. See, I got all of the stuff in there. This was cut off. This is a weird advertisement on the start screen. I think it kind of ruins it in games, but what are you gonna do? All right, so this, we know how to do this now, right? Here. It's all touching there. One, two, wait. So hold shift, drag it up 15 pixels. Oops. One. Pixels. There we are. Switch to this one. Size it. Accept that. Over 15. Perfect. How does that look? Everything looks okay. Very similar to this. That's what I like to avoid. Maybe I should bring this down here. Better, right? Almost. It's up in line with that. So open up the ruler. How about this? So balanced. I like this space here. What am I gonna do? Let's try this again. That's it's better. I don't know about that. I don't know if I want to play a survival game. Episode 1. Really don't. But at this point, honestly, like, I don't really know what I want to play because there's so many games that I'd rather not play. So it feels like I don't know. Anyway, let's go back to this for now. What are we gonna stick? We're gonna go for this one. Control clicking the thumbnail picture here, or thumbnail image, whatever. Grab the eyedropper. Let's grab a. I like to grab these bright colors. We just use this kind of teal color, so let's go like this one. See how that looks. All right. That's pretty good. One. What are we gonna look for here? Something like this. What does this look? It's not bad. Not mad at that. Yeah. We gotta go to backlog folder. Jotun. Jotun. Thumbnail. Episode 1. Two. Oh. I don't remember how many I have on this. Check that. I think it's, I want to say it's almost 7. Yeah. Skip that one. 3. Yeah. Save just to make sure. 5. So confused. Five. Yes. File. Quick export. Let's just do 6 and 7 and we'll preview them just to make sure. Okay. Save. Here. There's one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're good. All right. So that's that. That's Thursday morning recording. A little bit of video editing. Or not video editing, thumbnail editing. Yeah. So I want to get these kind of edited and thrown up too. Here's the thing, is I'm creating these videos right now And these are also getting uploaded to YouTube, the VODs. And then I'm also doing these edits. So what I want to do is I want to create a playlist for those. It sucks to have them. I have so many VODs from Twitch that need to be uploaded that it's going to put me out months if I keep doing it in one episodic releases. My more current and relevant videos that I'm making now have to kind of get put out, I think, in the process. So, I don't know. I'm trying to figure that part out. But for now, my goal is first to get enough backlog VODs put out to hold me off through February. That's the goal for that. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to edit all of this stuff and we'll put that out. I think that's the plan, but that could change. So, that's it for this morning. This is Jotun thumbnail done in Photoshop. Hopefully it helps you a little bit at all. Documents for me anyway. But that's it. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.